Hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange on January 7th at 5:02 in the afternoon. A lot of green on the screen. A lot of action happening in the crowds today and a lot of news on the horizon. And this market never disappoints. These things are amazing. 2 days can go by on a Saturday and Sunday. We come back and there is so much happening. We are so in the middle of a headline-driven, I don't know, tsunami you may want to call it. So we had a great end to the week last Friday due to three really significant bits of information about Chinese stimulus, maybe a lull in the trade war situation and tariffs, with the president voicing possibility of meetings with the president of China, interest rates, patient posturing going into 2019, postponed till June, all good things, and unemployment numbers being revised, good for December, revised I think for November. All three good reasons to buy the market, and they did. The 20-to-1 up to down volume on Friday was a significant thing to watch. 1 billion shares traded, 1.1 billion shares traded, 1,050 million were up, 50 million down. That's a significant play in the pond. We've seen that even on large down days, the up to down volume has not been that significant. And the spike in volumes only come when the markets go up. So all that being said, that's a good thing. Signs of way oversold market, signs of across the board buying, and those are good things to get back into this market. We come into today, not that much has changed. Obviously, there's all the chatter coming out of the administration and Washington, some stuff with Canada, stuff with Mexico, the wall. There was a news conference on Friday where the president freestyled for an hour and a half about all kinds of stuff, eventually taking his ball and leaving the playground. At the end of the day, it was rumored, it was brought up by a correspondent about the fact, why has he not declared a state of emergency in the Mexico thing, done an executive order, and basically decided to take it out of the hands of the government and build the wall the way he wanted to. Well, sure as that's what he decided to do. There are things he doesn't know about. There are things that were suggested in the news conference. They were things that probably shouldn't have been brought up, because now they're things that are on his agenda and now they're causing problems. We come in today, there's a follow through on good positivity coming out of all those three things. Follow through on the upward market of Friday. Market was up, opened up 100, went up as much as 300, I believe. We've gone up 9% on the S&P since its lows of Christmas, 11% on the Russell since Christmas, and 9 to 10 on the NASDAQ. These are significant rallies off the lows of the Christmas low, which is literally just 10 days ago. Let's be clear. So that's amazing. So we saw a fast and furious sell-off, a little bit of a rally, fast and furious sell-off, and a significant fundamentalist rally. Foundationalist rally, as you may want to say. Unemployment rates did tick up a little bit. That's actually a good thing net, because that will put pressure on the Fed to back off a little on the gas, on the raising of interest rates. That will give the market a little time to catch up, and that's net at the end of the day, a positive thing into the marketplace. All that being said, a lot of good news. Saudi Arabia distinctly stated that they're going to cut production in a big way. Oil on a tear, back up $1.50 at its high, closed up $1 at $49, up $5 from its low. That's fueling the market. More disposable income. Good things. The price of gasoline has gone down 20 cents since October. That's another good thing for the economy. So all that being said, there's a lot of reasons to buy this market. A lot of reasons to go to the train station, hail it down, hop in the train, and go. The bad news is you don't know when a tweet may come. Midday, midnight, midweek. 1 o'clock today, market on a tear, up 350. Solid, fundamental, across-the-board buying, and boom, shakalaka-laka. The president tweets out that he's going to have a news conference, that he's going down to Mexico, he's going to be at the border, he's going to rally the troops, and he's going to pull off a state of emergency in the border ground of Mexico, and he's going to pull an executive order to build this wall that he wants. Oh, Lodi, why'd you do it? Anyway, That's not a good thing. The market careened off a cliff, sold off 200 points plus. End the day on a weak note, up 90. A billion shares traded. That's significant. There was a 4-to-1 up volume versus down. That's a good thing. So net, the majority of the day was a positive, solid day on the upside. The tweet definitely dislocated the rally in a big way. Russell up 25, Spiders up 20. That's solid. Transport's up 80, market up 100. We're at 23.5. So net, short of the tweet, we're in good shape. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Tomorrow's a news conference in Mexico at the border. That could bring us anything from fire and brimstone, biblical shit, or whatever. We'll take it up again tomorrow. This is NYSE Einstein Inside Vershaw from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I'll see you tomorrow. Sata.